In today's video, I'll be showing you how to easily download the Rednote app on your iPhone. If you are into note-taking and organizing your thoughts efficiently, this app is definitely worth checking out. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the App Store. This is where all your apps come from. It's the blue icon with a white A made out of a pencil, ruler, and paintbrush. Once the App Store opens, go to the Search tab and search Rednote and hit enter. This app should pop up right at the top. Look for the Rednote app icon. It's typically a simple bold design. When you see it, just tap the blue Get button next to the app. If you have downloaded apps before, you might see a cloud icon instead, and just tap that. Once the download is complete, you'll see this open button. Tap that to launch the Rednote app right away, or you can always find it on your home screen. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded the Rednote app on your iPhone. Now you are ready to start creating and organizing your notes with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.